In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Outlook run as a background process. This is useful especially if you want to receive emails and notifications from Outlook without having it in your taskbar or task switcher and making your list a little more crowdy. So to get started, open up Microsoft Outlook. And then go into your task tray in the taskbar, and then you should see it as an icon of Microsoft Outlook. Just right click and then click hide when minimized. So now if you close and reopen Microsoft Outlook, because this only works if you reopen it right after you did this, and then click on minimize, you'll see that this icon right here will disappear and this notification will show. However, this only shows for the first time that you actually do this, so don't worry about this showing every time. And now if you go to your task tray and see the list, you'll see that Microsoft Outlook is in there. So that's pretty much for the video. I hope it helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.